This 2023 Forest River R-Pod 201 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, external shower, water heater, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, oven, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River R-Pod 201 is 5,003 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.